Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the fifth question in exercise 4.3. Let's look at the problem. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeters 80 meter and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So first, let's find out how to define the variables for this problem. So I'm going to declare length of the rectangle is going to be used with the letter L. Breadth of the rectangle is going to be defined with the variable B. So they gave you that the perimeter of the rectangle is 18 meters. So let's write the formula for perimeter. 2 times of length plus breadth is the perimeter. So 2 into L plus B is going to be 80. The other thing they wanted was the area of the rectangle to be 400. So this is LB is equal to 400. Now let us take this particular equation. So I can simplify this as L plus B is equal to 80. I'm going to divide it by 2. So this is going to be 40. L plus B is 40. Now I can rearrange this as L is equal to 40 minus B. I'm going to substitute this in this equation. So in place of L, I'm replacing it as 40 minus B into B is equal to 400. Let us make this look like a normal quadratic equation. So I'm going to do the multiplication. So 40 into B is 40B minus B squared is equal to 400. So on rearranging, it is B squared minus 40B plus 400 is equal to 0. So we got the quadratic equation. Now the question was, is it possible to design a rectangular park? So first step is you are going to show yes, the solution is possible. Then we are going to solve the problem. So in order to check if the solution is possible, we are going to compute b square minus 4ac. If this value is equal to or greater than 0, then we are going to proceed. So what is the value of b? B's value is minus 40 the whole square. Minus 4 into a is going to be equal to 1 and 400 is c. So this is into 400. 40 the whole square is going to be 1600 minus 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 400 is 1600 again. So this is equal to 0. 0 means you're going to get real and equal roots. So the solution is definitely possible. So we are going to first say that it is possible to design. It is possible to design such a rectangle. So we are going to declare that design a rectangle. The next phase is to find out what are the dimensions of such a rectangle. So let us go for the dimensions. So in order to do that, we're going to do either approach it through splitting the middle term, or you can do the formula using minus b plus or minus b square by 2ac. Since we have already worked so much on the b square minus 4ac, I'm doing that method as a preferable one. So the formula is said minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. See, this b square minus 4ac, I already computed it to be 0. So I'm going to remove this part on substitution. So minus b is minus of minus 40. So this is plus 40 divided by 2 into a, which is 2 into 1. So 40 divided by 2 is 20. So realistically, the solution is 20 comma 20 because we expected it, right? Real and equal roots. So the breadth of the rectangle B is equal to 20. Now we have an equation. The length of the rectangle is 40 minus the breadth. So L is equal to 40 minus 20. So it is equal to 20. So the breadth and the length of the rectangle is same, meaning it is going to be a square plot. So L is equal to 20 and M is equal to 20. So this is the dimension of the plot wherein this condition is possible. If you're not comfortable doing minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, you can do directly the splitting the middle term, because 400 is a perfect square. You can do this as b minus 20 the whole squared is equal to 0. B is equal to 20, comma 20. Here also we have attained the same results. Only the approach was doing a splitting the middle term here. So the approach is left to us because it is a word problem. So choose which is very comfortable to you. With this video, we are closing the lesson of quadratic equations, and from the next video, we are going to see about arithmetic progression. Please note, the number of questions that are there in the textbook are insufficient and you need to do more practice problems. If you need to do custom worksheets with solutions, please approach my website www.smartlylearn.in. In the next video, we will see how to solve problems in the next lesson, which is arithmetic progression. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.